Hello there, welcome to a new video. It's been 3 weeks, I know, I'm sorry. I will try to be more consistent, but I've been really busy with work and there is big stuff coming. I will not talk about it yet, but when it's here you will know about it. I'm really excited about it, but let's hope everything works out well. In the meantime, I could teach you how to upload literally any sound possible to Spotify. It won't be available to everyone, only you will be able to play it on all of your devices. And it's only possible if you have a Windows machine. If you don't have a Windows machine, this won't be able to work. I'm not sure if it works on a Mac, but I will show you how to do it on a Windows machine. So hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and maybe let me know if you know if this trick works on Mac OS. Let's see. But anyways, let's bust out the laptop and let's get to it. You know, when I was thinking what song should I add to my Spotify account, naturally, Gangster Rap Made Me Do It by Ice Cube came to mind. If you don't know the song, link in description, go listen to it. It's like, if you don't know what Gangster Rap Made Me Do It is, just maybe you already have this file somewhere on your computer, you already have the MP3 file, but if you don't, you can simply download the track from YouTube or wherever. And if you don't know how to do it, let me show you. It's really simple. So you will go to YouTube, look up your video. Now, you will open it and copy the link in the search bar. Once you do it, go to a website that is called y2mate.com. There are many other websites that allow you to download files from YouTube, but this is mine of choice, so if you have another one, go for it. But once you're here, you will simply paste the link into the search bar, you will hit start, and now down here it shows you the video. So you will click the MP3 and download the song. Okay, so once you have the file downloaded, you will put it into a folder of your choice. You can either put it into downloads or music library. Those are the default folders that Spotify will look for if you enable the thing that you will just see me do. And also, you need to do 3 things. One is to create a mobile hotspot from your phone to connect the Wi-Fi to your phone, so you are synced in this way. Next, you have to be up to date, so the Spotify app has to be up to date, and the app on your phone has to be up to date as well. And number 3 is just you will have to enable or disable and enable firewall, just so this works. So now open Spotify and hit the menu icon, then go to settings and scroll down until you find a tab that is called local files. Make sure this tab is enabled, and then you will, as you can see, you will have 2 sources from default. I have already one, but you will have 2 from default, and that is downloads and music library. You will hit add a source and find the folder that you just put the song into. So mine is called new folder, hit OK. I'm an original as fuck, so why not do whatever you want. But now you have it here, and as you can see, the tab is green, so it's enabled. Now go to the left panel of Spotify and you will find under artists a playlist called local files. As it sounds, it is. You will be able to see this playlist only on your computer. This doesn't show on your phone. And so now you have to sync it all the way through your account. So that means also you will have to be logged in to the same Spotify premium account on all of these devices you want to sync it to. So now the song is here in the local files playlist, but it's only on your computer. So now you need to go and disable the firewall. So we'll hit the Windows key, right in Panel, and open Control Panel. You will scroll down until you find Windows Defender Firewall, hit it, and hit Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Now disable both of these options and hit OK. Now if you go back to your phone, look into the playlist you added it to, you will now see the song there and you'll be able to play it. It won't have a cover or anything fancy, as you can see. It's quite simple and raw, you know, because it's a file that you just downloaded from the internet, so it doesn't even know who the artist is, it doesn't know nothing, it's just the file. But now you're done. This file is now on your phone or on any device that is connected to your account. So now you will just go back to the firewall, hit again the button to turn it on or off, turn it all back on, hit OK, and you're done. So now you have everything synced, the song is everywhere, it's not public, it's only for you, but you have it on all your devices, so now you can listen to it wherever without having to switch to Google Play Music from Spotify, you know. It's simple. So, thanks a lot for watching. I will make sure to see you hopefully next week. I don't want to make any promises because I'm not sure if I can keep up to them. But thank you for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hopefully this helped you. So I will see you next time.